This is a beautiful dark green with a gold jarhe. This is a pure jarhe as well. Really stunning green, this one. Let me open and show you the mundana. Look at the mundana. I'm in love with this mundana. As you can see how stunning this is. And let me show you the blouse material, which is the exact same as the body color, but it's in dark green. Okay, I will put this one to show you how it looks when you drape it.